Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to stop by real quick because I got some emails. And I apologize for just now answering those emails. I got some emails a couple weeks back, and a couple of people were asking me about the journals that I do, and they were asking me where can they find the journals. The link to purchase journals will always be in the description of each one of the YouTube videos. So I wanted to just pop on here real quick and just show you my actual Amazon page where I sell the journals at. And I think I might have like 100, maybe almost 200 journals on here. And I'll put the link. The link is in the description. And when you come to the page, you can just kind of scroll through and then look at all the different journals that I have up here. And let's see, open up. There's more down here. So when I go through here, want you to see some that now this is one where you can actually see some of the pages on the inside. So this is what the outside of the journal looks like. And this one is a daily planner. So within it, you'll see these are some of the actual pages within the 125 page journal. They make like really good gifts. They make swag bag gifts. They make Lady Day gifts. They make conference day gifts. Like really good gifts, or even for the holidays, like stocking stuffers, or and journals are generally used for organizational thought. I am really big on writing the vision down and making it plain. So just about anything that I do that you see me do, the YouTube channel, the the jewelry, the journals, the sweatshirts, the hoodies, anything, I always write things down. I write it down because I see it in my mind first. And then when I write it on paper, it becomes, or in my journals, it becomes even more clearer to me. So this is another one right here. This one is a Bible study journal. And you can see these are some of the pages in the inside. And I think this one is maybe 125 or 150 pages. And then if we go through again, here's another one. This one is 125 pages. This one is a manifestation journal. This one is the blank pages where you can just write down your thoughts in any order, that you want to write. You can do that within this journal, and then it gives you like some little happy things. Good job. Journal your way to a happy life. Different things like such. And then we have this one, write the vision down and make it plain. It's 150 pages. Prompt journal, it gives you an awareness contract, and these are literal pages inside of the journal. And then you have this one is an actual cookbook, a recipe book, 150 pages. So if you have young girls or boys and you guys have recipes around the holidays that you want to share those recipes, write those recipes down, so that it'll be a keepsake book for anybody in your family. Or if you want to write down recipes in the book, like all the recipes that you have, and you want to gift it, even to a family member or some family members, that would be cool too. So this is another one, and you just have to go on here and kind of just look through. And as you scroll through, you'll be able to see, like, let's see if we click on this one. What happened with Amazon, they stopped allowing people to have where you can look inside the pages. So you basically get to see the front, and then I think that's it. So they just kind of got it like that. That was one reason why I did what I did with my journals, like some of the ones where you can actually see what's going on in the inside of them, because they have stopped people from doing that. You can basically see the front of the book, maybe the back of the book, but I mean, hey. I want you to see what's going on. So when you come to the page, you just kind of hover over either one of the journals, you click on the text, and then it takes you to the page to be able to purchase and then read a little bit about the journal, which is right down here. All righty. And then this was a requested information, so I went ahead and just put it on a video. All right, family, and we'll talk soon.